Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change a PNG image from black to white using Canva. Maybe you've got a logo, an icon, or a little graphic like a black cat and you need to flip it to white for a lighter background. By the end of this video, you'll know how to do that in just a couple of clicks, no Photoshop required. Let's dive right in. First, open up Canva in your web browser. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's free to sign up and totally worth it for tasks like these. Once you're logged in, look for that big Create a Design button, usually up in the top right corner. Give it a click, it's your gateway to starting something brand new. Next, we want to give ourselves a perfect little workspace. So where it says custom size, type in 100 by 100 pixels. You don't have to stick to these exact dimensions for every project, but for this example, this small size is nice and simple and just right for quickly working with PNG icons. Once you've set the size, go ahead and click to create your new design. Your fresh, blank canvas should pop up right away. Now let's add your PNG image. For this demo, I'll use a black cat to keep things playful, but this technique will work on any black PNG, logos, icons, you name it. If you already have your image, just drag and drop it onto the canvas, or you can use the Uploads tab on the left to upload it from your computer. After uploading, click your image to place it front and center on that neat white background. Here, where the magic happens, with your image selected, you'll see some options show up above your canvas. Look for the Edit button. Sometimes this will say Edit Image. Click it, and a bunch of adjustment tools will appear on the left panel. Now, don't be overwhelmed by all these options, they're just different ways you can tweak how your image looks. Among these tools, find the one called Adjust. This is where you can play with brightness, contrast, all sorts of stuff, but for our purpose, just scroll right down to the bottom of this panel. At the very bottom, you'll see a little button labeled Invert. Go ahead and click it. You'll see your black PNG flip instantly to white. If you were working with anything black, it should now look clean and crisp, ready for use on dark backgrounds or wherever you need a white version. Now a quick tip, sometimes, depending on the original PNG, the invert function will swap all the colors, not just black to white. So if your PNG had some shades of gray or transparency, keep an eye on how it changes. Don't worry if it looks a little different at first, you can always play around with the other adjustment tools to get exactly the look you want. And if you make a mistake, just hit undo. And that's honestly all there is to it. You've now completely flipped your black PNG to white right inside Canva without any fancy software or tricky steps. From here, you can download your new white PNG by hitting Share, then Download, and picking the PNG format. Super fast, super easy. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit like, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any hiccups or if you want to see more Canva tips. And make sure to subscribe so you never miss another quick tutorial like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.